In my last video, I showed how I have my students do ascending order. Now I'm going to show you what they do with descending order. So again, they have to use no calculator here. They just have to put them in order. This is for middle school students. So what I have them do is color code each one. They typically use markers, but you can use color pencils, crayons, anything. If they don't have that, they can use shapes. And then what I have them do is estimate where it goes on a number line. So 2 1/5, it's more than 2, but it's not 3. So they would put a dot between 2 and 3. For the next one, -1 1/2. This one's a little bit tricky because this one, sometimes we tend to put between 0 and -1, but I remind them they went to -1 and they didn't have enough to get to -2, so they went kind of halfway. The next one is in scientific notation. So prior to this lesson, they have learned how to convert this, and they know that exponents make, with negative exponents, that they make very small numbers, so they know that they'll put this really close to 0. And then the last one, 0.9. So 0.9 is pretty close to 1, so they would put it close to 1. So ascending and descending, I have them stand up and sit down to practice. So in this case, when they go to put the numbers in order, they're going to look down their number line and they're going to say, okay, so the greatest one is 2 1/5. The next color is the dark blue, which was 0.9. We then run across green, which is 3.2 times 10 to the -6. And the last color we have is the light blue, which is -1 1/2. So this is what I'm doing so far with students, and it seems to be working really well.